Ionic what? Ionic radii. What is ionic radii? I will divide ionic radii, but let me use this as a case of study. We have sodium, Na, which is 11. This is sodium what? Atom. So when sodium lose electron, or no, don't worry. This sodium atom, when this sodium atom is being what? Ionized, to give us what? Na plus 1 mole of electron, you lose it, it will become sodium plus. So this one is what we call what? Atom. This one is what we call what? Ion. It don't become ion by carry what? Charge. By carry what? Charge, abi? And if I draw the configuration for this sodium, yeah, we have 281, abi? Because it has 11, abi? But don't forget, oh, the atomic number here is still what? 11. See, wait. For this one, number of what? Of proton. Proton, which is atomic number is what? 11. Is still what? 11. The number of electron here is still what? 11. Why? Because it's a neutral atom. But here, this sodium is being ionized by losing 1 mole of electron. It will now become what? The number of proton here is become, the number of proton is what? Is 11. Where number of electron here, it will become what? 10. Why? Out of the 11 electron it has here, it lose what? 1. It will become what? 10. So this sodium ionized by lose what? Electron. But let me draw, help me write the version of this one is 281 for electron, abi 281. But for electron for this one, we have 28. Abi, let us draw the what? The shell. We have 2 inside. We have 8. And we have 1 outside here. This is for what? For sodium atom. Abi? Good. So for this one now, ion 2. This for what? Sodium what? Ion. You can now see that what? How many shells we have in what? In sodium atom? 3. Sodium ion, how many shells do you have what? 2. But I said this before that this is nucleus of atom inside, abi? A line that is drawn from a center of what? Of the nucleus of an atom and touch the what? The valency electron is called radius, abi? And this radius is taking place in what? In sodium atom. So this radius, we call it what? Atomic radius, abi? But here, this is for what? For ions, abi? And here we have positive nucleus of ion, and I will draw it here. And this is distance between the positive central nucleus of an atom and what? The valency orbit or shell. We call it what? Radius. And this radius here is called ionic what? Radius. Because for the what? Ion. Therefore, ionic radius can be defined as the what? The distance between the positive central nucleus of an ion and the valency electron and the valency what? Valency shell. So ionic radius is the distance between the positive central nucleus of what? Of ions and the valency what? Valency shell. That's what? Ionic what? Radius. And the ionic radius can be divided into 2. We have for what? For anion. We have for what? For cation. So this ionic radius now divided into 2 parts. We have We have positive ionic radius. Wey what? Radius. And we also have what? Negative ionic what? Radius. See, look at ions. I said it here now. The word ions in chemistry, ions. Ions can be obtained or, ions can occur when atoms lose or gain electron. Ions can be occur or obtained as a result of the what? Of when atom is what? Is ionized, either by gain electron or what? By what? By losing what? Electron. And the ions group into what? Into two. We have positive what? Ions, and we have negative what? Negative ions. Take for instance now, if you have what? An element what? A. When this A ionize by lose one mole of electron, so this A it will become positive charge. But if you have element B and ionize, it become ion by gaining one mole of electron, it will become what? B negative. So this positive ion by loss of what? Of electron, this negative ion by gain of what? Of electron. So ion with positive ion are called cation. Ion with negative are called anion. So this cation, they are also called what? Positive ionic what? Radius. Abi, they are what? They are cat what? Cation. So yeah, let me take example of this now. For positive anion, I said we have element X. This element X ionize, is lose one mole of electron, it will become positive. That's why we have what? Positive ionic radius. But for negative ionic radius, when element what? Y gain one mole of electron to himself, it will now become Y negative. This one is called negative ionic what? Radius. Negative one are called anion. So now we are going to look at what? The radius of what? Of cation and the radius of what? Of anion. So yeah, the first one now. Radius. What? Radius of what? Of cation, which is positive ion. So if I want to use that one, please, I'm going to use what? To use lithium. Look at lithium. Lithium has atomic number what? 3. When this lithium ionize by losing electron, one mole of electron, we have what? Lithium plus. But what is the what? Electronic cell for lithium is 2, 1. But for this ion, this is lithium atom, this one is ion. For this ion, we have 2 what? Alone. By draw the what? By draw the shell, we have 2 inside there, 1 outside. But here, we have what? 2 inside, no, nothing outside. So with you can now see that what? This is what? Ions. Abi? And don't forget that in this, let me big this thing. In this one, we have 2, Abi? But in the nucleus of what? Of lithium, we have how many proton there? We have 3 what? 3 proton. We also have 3 what? Proton here. So the nuclear charge inside here is the same thing with what? Electron. But nuclear charge here is more than what? The electron we have outside. So Radius of cation or the atomic size of cation, it is what? It is reduced. Reason, because of the what? The number of proton inside, the nuclear charge inside here is more than what? The electron we have in the what? In the shell here. So it has what? The tendency to what? To draw the what? The outermost shell electron to what? To himself. As a result of that, the what? The radius we what? Will reduce. So between this what? Lithium atom and lithium ion, which one has what? The bigger size? The lithium atom is bigger in size than what? Lithium a what? Ion. Because the nuclear charge here is more than what the number of electrons in atom's what? Atom's share. This one has what? Bigger size than what? Than this. But in case of what? The second one, which is what? Let me use it here. Radius of what? Radius of anion. So for the radius of anion, what do we have there? Good. Look at chlorine atom. This chlorine atom now with atomic number 17. Abi, when this chlorine is ionized by gaining 1 mole of electron, it will become what? Cl minus. Abi, but if you now try to what? Here, for this chlorine, write out the what? The configuration. We have 2, 8, 7. Abi, but here now we have 2, 8, 8. You can see that it's gaining 1 electron here. So the number of electron here is what? Is increased by 1. Abi, but if you look at what? The number of proton here is 17. Good. Number of what? Electron here is also what? 17. So the nucleus and the electron are what? Are equal. But here, number of what? Proton is what? 17 atomic number. Number of what? Of electron here, it will be what? 18. Abi, the nuclear charge here is less than what? The number of what? Of electron. Abi, so the the 17 protein and proton which we have inside the what? Nucleus of an atom, they will find it difficult to what? To draw 18 electrons to the what? To themselves. And out of that, the electron will what? Will not have time to what? To expand because they are more than what? More than proton. As a result of that, this chlorine negative is what? Is bigger in size than what? Than chlorine atom. Therefore, we now have what? Chlorine atom is what? Less than chlorine ions. But in positive one, the lithium atom is greater than what? Lithium ion in atomic size. But in case of what? Of ions, the negative one we what? We have what? Big atomic size than what? Than this. You may ask, justify which of the following oxygen atom and oxygen 2 minus. Explain which of the two have what? The least atomic size. So it's the same thing explanation we have what? We have there. This one we have what? Big atomic size than this. Because the number of electrons here is what? Is more than nuclear charge, which is what? Proton. We can also ask, explain or arrange the following what? Ion, 2 ion, ion atom, and ion 3 what? Plus. Arrange them based on the what? Increase in atomic size. You apply this one. The one that is have what? Atom must what? Must be bigger. Ion. This ion is a big atomic size from this principle. Abi? So it will greater followed by what? The one that have what? 2 followed by what? The one that have what? 3 plus. It's one that have what? Least atomic what? Atomic size. That is all about what? Ionic radii. which is we have what? Radius of anion and a radius of what? Of cation. Let's not forget, go to the next one. The ionic radius is the same as what you is decrease across the what? Across the period, but increase down the group. Like atomic radii is decrease across the period, but increase down the what? The group. Note it. The next one is what? Ionization energy.